Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to TPV Treadmill's Point of View. Today we're going to be looking at some discs. We have several types of discs that are right in front of us. So here firstly we're going to look at this one. This is a cutting disc. It cuts through metal. This one cuts through metal. It's an Inco long cutting life. It's a 1 millimeter cutting disc. And then secondly, this is a flap disc. It grinds and cleans the welds. As you can see, it got different small layers of sandpaper that are glued together. And then next we have a grinding disc. It grinds off anything that is attached to metal. Okay, this is a fed grinding disc. It leaves the surface rough. After using this, you have to use either a flap disc or a sanding disc. And then next, this is a wire wheel. It removes paints, it removes rust. You can remove the attachments that are in front of a grinder, and then you put this one direct into a grinder. The diameter of this nut and the diameter of that bolt on the grinder is the same, so you just attach it direct. And then next, this is a wood cutting disc. This is a wood cutting disc. You use it on a small angle grinder. Okay, now it's almost finished, but as you can see, it got some little small small diamond edges on it. Those are the edges that helps it to cut through the wood. I'll show you on the next video on a demonstration on how it works. And then lastly, we have this pile. So we basically have three types of diamond disc here. So this one cuts through masonry. They all cut through masonry, but this is a specialized one. It cuts through the tile. As you can see, it got small fine diamonds, small fine spots on it that helps it grips to cut through any ceramic. The same goes with this one, but this one doesn't leave the smoothness with that wet, like that wet one. But this one can also cut through ceramic, even if it's for masonry. It can also cut through ceramic, but it doesn't leave a clear cut because of these small gaps that it has in between that helps it to grip more. So that's what I have for now. I wish I had all the disc, but unfortunately I had to work with what I have. Hopefully it helps you. It helps one DIY at a time. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Like and subscribe, comment in the comment section. See you on the next one.